New Commander Brigadier General Ernest Shamu pledges discipline, highly trained, 1 Infantry Brigade. Sabina mashuko branyu kopangwa ine mujano konzi aiwa pankwa ine pane another Brigadier General, a new commander who has been elevated in power pankwa ine parikuno parikuto ma poster was. The link part will subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Timuna no more branyu kwa mchinzi. The incoming commander of 1 Infantry Brigade, Brigadier General Ernest Shamu, is pledged to maintain a brigade that is well disciplined, highly trained, and an asset to the Zimbabwe National Army. Speaking during the handover and takeover ceremony at Commando Barracks, Brigadier General Shamu said he was humbled and honored by the appointment, describing it as a reflection of the trust and confidence placed in him by the Army leadership. He said, 1 Infantry Brigade is over the years proven to be a force to reckon with, citing its past success in various operations and assignments. As I assume command of this brigade, I am fully aware of the challenges that lie ahead. However, I am cognizant that my predecessors also faced challenges but managed to turn them into opportunities, said Brigadier Shamu. I will therefore do my best to mitigate these challenges in order to maintain the high standards and proficiency synonymous with the brigade. Brigadier Shamu also congratulated the outgoing commander, Major General Kefas Gurira, who has been elevated to a higher post at Army headquarters. Doma developments aripo muri yeZimbabwe pamusoro this handover takeover yamuri kuona pangwa ini pari kunozi the environment, the atmosphere is very volatile. Pari kuitika military assignments, handover takeovers, pangwa ino vamwe vachiva eliminated, some vari kuita mysterious states. Kana comment section medu dzavafungura any more today pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So unsubscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.